So for the chilaquiles, I used 5 chiles guajillos, also 4 chiles de árbol, and a small piece of onion. So in my pot, I already have 4 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to be cooking them, and I am also going to be adding the rest of my ingredients in here. So we usually have this for breakfast. I feel like this recipe is super easy and quick, and it can be done in under 20 minutes. So we are going to be cooking all of this for about, I want to say 7 minutes, or until your tomatoes start to soften. So as you can see, my tomatoes are ready because they are starting to peel. So my next step is going to be to just put everything into the blender. I'm also going to be adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay, you guys, and this is the way they should come out. They are so delicious. I really hope you guys try these out. Like I said, this could make a good breakfast or lunch or just anything. We actually had this for dinner. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some queso fresco, or I believe this is called Mexican crumbling cheese. Some sour cream as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure that you are subscribed.